Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and here we are again with a new simple floral tutorial. So for this we require our palette and a paper. Okay, we're just attaching the sheet so that it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so you need one brush. I'm using my favorite mop brush. Okay, so we need two pinks, like one pink and one purple will also work. Like two colors, one dark and light and a darker version of it. Starting with a circle, and I'm making sure I'm just holding my brush from the middle of the brush. Okay, so that I can get some loose strokes and also some tight strokes also. Like it shouldn't be too loose and it will stay look like a flower. Okay, so I'm just imagining a circle myself and I'm making sure that all the leaves are following that circle. So this is our first layer. It has to be a little light. I'm just taking a little darker shade so that I can just make some outline and just highlight the petals a little bit more. So just highlight करने के लिए थोड़ा सा हम पिंक हमने लिया and just making sure कि थोड़ा सा brightness add करने के लिए मैं adding the yellow and orange to the center of the flower. थोड़ी देर में ये सारा it's gonna merge with other colors and एक bright color देगा. Okay, so now I'm just taking the stem of it. It has to be like little easy. Okay, just spreading the color so that it orange blends with the pink also. So now we will be painting the leaves, our signature style. Point, pressure, point. Darkening one side of the leaf, or you can darken both the sides, it's up to you. Okay, so point, pressure, point. Point, pressure, point. This is how we paint our leaves. Point से फिर pressure of the brush और फिर से release the pressure to the point. The basic simple way to paint the leaves in watercolor. Okay, just adding highlighting one or two points there, and I'm now taking a darker pink now, starting with the center as always and highlighting the center. Okay, and giving a direction to like which side what petal is going on which direction. Okay, I like to outline the petals, so I'm just outlining my petals. A rough outline, it doesn't has to be like accurate, ऊपर नीचे कर सकते हैं. That's I like that way कि वो पूरा defined नहीं है. It's a little loose and nice. That's kind of something that I really enjoy painting. So आप try करके देखिए, अच्छा होता है. ज़रूरी नहीं है हर चीज़ एकदम realistically exact बने, थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे भी अच्छी लगती है. So just adding a little bit more darker shade to it. जितना कम आप color में पानी मिलाएंगे तो it will give you more darker color. So just I'm using that darker shade only but with less water. So वो मुझे थोड़ा और dark brush strokes दे रहा है. The color is coming more darker. So just highlighting some of the corners and so that कि वो थोड़ा flower और define हो जाए. And softening some of the edges because as everybody knows, like I would like to paint a little loose florals. So just कुछ पार्ट्स हम उसके थोड़ा सा लूज़ कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा सा विजुअली अच्छा लगता है मुझे. You can keep it as well. Okay, and now the splattering, the बिना splatters के तो हमारे को painting complete नहीं है. So I splatter what the colors that I have used in the painting generally. So this is it, and अपना साइन तो करना ही बनता है. Just using a little bit of more brown, मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा सा और ऐड करना चाहिए, सेंटर को थोड़ा सा और हाईलाइट करना चाहिए. So just doing that because वाटर कलर ड्राई होने के बाद एक अलग लुक देता है. तो you can always go back to the painting and you can okay this point ये इतना हाईलाइट होके नहीं आया after drying, so I should repaint it. You can do it. That's the liberty that watercolor give us too. So I'm just using a little black also तो अब वो बिल्कुल ही bright हो गया. So this is it, and here we are. It's an easy peasy lemon squeezy kind of flower. You can paint on like when you're not feeling like painting too much. Your kids can paint. Do try it. Let me know. Okay, thank you for watching it, and bye.